Hello and welcome to another unboxing. Today we are looking at the Leagues of Votann Army set. Yes, the day is finally arrived. As of making of this video, this should be coming up for pre-order. And wow, I'm just so excited to dive into this. And huge thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this Army box set. And wow, like this thing, like the cover art is just fabulous. I mean, you know, you've got all the vibes of these new faction, this new dwarf army, and wow, it's just, it's just wow. I mean, this is just gonna be me wowing the entire time. Maybe like an Owen Wilson kind of thing, just wow. Anyway, so let's have a look at the box. Now this box, immediately, it is a sleeve on the outside as opposed to like the usual kind of, you know, opening of the box, like a lid or kind of thing. But anyway, this Army box set comes with Codex Leagues of Votann Limited Edition, Leagues of Votann data cards, transfer sheet, and token sheet. Very exciting. So it comes with all these little things we need for our gameplay. The box includes 25 Citadel miniatures, 20 Hearthkin warriors, 3 Hernkin, is that how you say it? Pioneers, the bikers, Ular, the Destined, and Enhir champion. And that's the big fella here. Here's the champion, and then here's Uthar? I don't know what his name is. I'm sure everybody out there who's very used to these kind of dwarven kind of names, which is, you know, kind of like Nordic sounding and what have you. I'm sure many of you are very comfortable with these names. Personally, I'm not. I'm, you know, back in the fantasy days, I mean, I used to really enjoy, you know, dwarves. I often, you know, contemplating collecting dwarves just because of all the artillery and everything like that. And then in 40K, I used to have squats way back in the Rogue Trader days, but now, like, I mean, from judging from all the videos leading up to now, I'm sure many of you know my thoughts on this army, and yeah, I'm excited to dive in, and I think we will do a review of the Leagues of Votann Codex, so stay tuned for that. If you're interested in that video, we're going to put it up in that corner over there, and you can click in there and check that video out as well. For the rest of you who want to see what this box set is like, opening it up and, you know, just kind of diving in, let's do that. So it has a sleeve on it, which is kind of unusual. I don't know, can I do this? Oh no, it's got tape. Okay, it's got tape. Let's grab our trusty rusty blade. If I can, cut that end. Does this end need to be cut? I think so. Cut it at this end. Oh, no, I'm cutting in the box. Good grief. What am I doing? Too excited here. I'm too excited. This box has like the most indestructible tape known to man on it. There we go. Okay, here we go. The box can, oh, look at this. We can unslide the, oh, this is the back end of the cover. Okay, so the inside of the box, nothing. So it's just this big sleeve. Ooh, man, oh man, look at this. Box art, love it. Let's see what the other side, oh, now the box itself is a harder cardboard. Oh, look at that. That is some art. I don't even know which way this is going. Oh, look at that. It's even got some runes on the sides. I assume this is all the different factions within the league itself. That's just a guess. I'm sure leading up to this video, I'm sure there's been reveals as far as, you know, the ideas behind these guys, and, you know, sorry, I'm really excited here. I can't get into, how do I get into this box? How do I get into this? Games Workshop, you guys did it to me again. What did you do? What have you done? Oh my Lord. Oh, there, it's like one of these stupid things. Oh, love of God. Hold on. Technical difficulties. There we go. Ignore the man behind the curtain. Come on. I don't want to tear the box. There we go. I'm trying everything not to destroy the box. Not that I need to or anything like that. Just, oh yeah. See, this is upside down. So this is the way the box should be opened. And let's slide out. It's another drawer. Oh my God! Look at this. Wow. 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 This is pretty awesome. Time for a sniff test. Oh yeah, that smell of fresh styrene plastic in the morning. Love it. I don't even know where to begin. I don't even know where to begin. So this looks like one of the Pioneer bikes. Oh yeah, look at all the detail. They're pretty darn big too. These things are a pretty darn good size. Yeah, love all the details. I'm going to assume it's only one bike, maybe two. Maybe each frame is a bike. Yeah, that's about what it looks like. Are they identical? I don't think they're identical. Okay, so that's one frame of bikes. What's this? We got warriors, it looks like, because I see a bunch of guns, a whole bunch of heads. Oh, look at all the head options. I'm sure there's plenty of close-up images of all of the options. Look at how many heads there are. Is this like some sort of specialty frame? Has all the heads? Or all the frames have this? I don't know. Here's another bike. Another Pioneer. Very, very cool. Yes. I'm excited for these. I am excited. So here's some more of the warriors. Looks like we've got some close combat. Oh, the big rifles. More heads. Now, I have no idea what kind of options these guys are for. That's something I think I'll have to determine once I open up the codex. Another frame. Oh, this is a big frame of warriors. Look at all these head options. My God. Oh, these are the helmets. Oh, these are the helmets. Oh, sweet. Lots of helmet options. Wow. 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 Okay. We'll take a look at the characters here in a minute. I'm going to assume these are the characters. And this is another frame of warriors. Yep. And I think this is identical to the other frame. I do believe. I'm going to assume. Yeah, these are identical. Sort of. I'm probably holding it the wrong way. Either way, really, really cool. So you get 20 of these little fellers in this box, 3 bikes, and you get 2 characters. Let's have a look at the characters here. Now this, I think, is the Lord. Yeah, here's this big sword, this flowy cape, nice little moon base. It's got a storm bolter, power glove, Volkite blaster, whatever the heck it's called. Yeah, oh, you even got 3 head options. Ooh, sweet. I like me some options. Then this should be the champion. Oh, he's got an axe and a hammer. Wow. He's got, looks like 2 head options. Yeah, look at that. Oh man, this is exciting. Exciting stuff. All right, so now we have a look at the artwork. This is the little paper divider that you typically get in these box sets. It's got art on both sides. I dig it. I actually really like this one, this art piece. It's really cool. Kind of, you know, feels like something familiar. All right, so we have like this plastic divider. We've got all our bases. Is there big bases for the bikes? Got our deck of cards for the Leagues of Votann, the data cards. Very, very cool. And then we have our trusty, rusty, limited edition. Oh, there's the, oh, right, okay. So we got the codex. Now this one is a limited edition codex. So it's not gonna have like obviously the 40K logo and everything like that on it. Also has the instructions and the tokens, the counters. So that's all wrapped up in there. Like I said, we are probably gonna have a look at the codex, so stay tuned for that. Here's the bike's bases. I was wondering where those were. And then the transfer sheet. Oh, there's 2 transfer sheets. Oh, are they identical? They're identical. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Sweet. Oh, man. I am excited. I have no idea what these factions are and like what their deal is, but I'm in for this. I'm in for this, and yeah. So I guess really quickly here, let's have a look at the instruction guide. I'm just going to peel off this plastic here of the book without trying to destroy the book or any of the other elements here, the counters. Let's have a look here. Let's get the plastic wrap off. Yeah, the Leagues of Votann. It's got a nice thick codex. It's a pretty sturdy looking book. It's, you know, hardcover. Everything you come to expect. The ancestors are watching. Sweet. What are they watching for? Tokens? Numbers? I'm going to assume these are for something in here. I have no idea. And then, of course, our handy dandy instruction set. And it is a good deal thickness. And yeah, I'm not sure what sort of options these vehicles have. I'm not sure what sort of options the troops have. Looks like you can set them up in 3 different ways per figure. So for anybody who really wants some variety in their units. Then of course we have the champion. I'll probably do up the champion with the hammer. I like the way that looks. I just like the way he's charging with that big hammer. He looks heroic. And then the unit leader. Yeah, that's really, really cool. I'm in for this. I am excited. The Leagues of Votann. That is the unboxing. Again, big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this. Big thank you to my patrons. Without their support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. A huge thank you to everybody for their continued support, and to all of you brand new ones as well. Take care of your brushes. They'll take care of you, and I will see you guys in the next video. We're gonna have a look at this book, I think. So be sure to click, you know, the next video.